In today's video, we're going to show you how to add Gmail to your iPhone. So it is very easy. Just download and install the Gmail app on your iPhone. So go to your app store and just search for Google Gmail, email by Google. As you can see here on the App Store preview, just download it. It's going to be installed just like any other app. After you've installed it, launch the Gmail app and tap the sign in option. So after that, select Google from the list of email providers and tap on continue. As you can see, there's Google, iCloud, so on and so forth. Just choose Google. Next step is simply enter your email, your Google email, your Gmail, click on next and type in your password. Once that's done, click on next once more to proceed. All right. So if you don't already have a Gmail account, choose the option to create an account. It's very straightforward. Everybody knows this. It's very easy. It's not going to take a lot of your time. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.